Francis, what day is it?
Christmas!
Yes, it's Christmas, boy. Kuya Poy, what day is it?
I don't know what is today.
Today is 25. It's Christmas.
I don't know.
Hi, Adimar. Yo, guys, I'm with Francis. Francis, are you happy it's Christmas?
Yes.
Huh?
I need money.
Yes, let's find money later in the games, right?
Yes.
Evie, what day is it? It's Christmas, boy. Yeah, it's Christmas! Boss, may pabasko ko. Oo, mangihingi. Hello, girls. Athena, Merry Christmas. Where's my pamasko?
Where's my pamasko? Bruh. We're representing Muntinlupa, bro.
Guys, it's Jaden. Hi, Jaden.
Hi.
Nalala mo yung grasshopper natin?
Yes.
Saan mo binenta? SM Sukat, di ba?
Hindi ko binenta. Pinatay ko.
Dang! Yo, Francis is gonna throw a rock daw. Dang! Go Ted, bro.
Sup vlog, here
Yo,
is my
Zup.
room.
What's happening in your room? Yo, what's up, Francis? Yo!
Let me see the fish.
Hi, Celine. Celine, say Merry Christmas. Ah, hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, Monkey D. Luffy. Do you remember me?
Yeah.
Monkey D. Luffy. Hello. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Hello.
Hello.
Sige, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Nanay, Merry Christmas. Hi, Nanay. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Ama, Merry Christmas. Francis, what food's this? Fish balls?
Fish balls.
What else?
And some mystery foods.
Yeah, mystery food. We'll see later, right?
We'll see later.
Yeah, look at this Korean, guys. God, Francis, there's also coffee, oh.
Yeah.
You like the coffee?
I don't drink coffee.
Yo, look at this, guys. Coffee and Korean. Yo, Francis, what are you watching?
It's Dale, bro.
Oh shoot, that's an old Christmas vlog, right? Merry Pasko?
Yes.
Christmas! '80s, boy!
Go look.
Francis, look what I got. Do you want this? So good. Tastes good, bro. Guys, taste us on this. Great. Full carb. Jaden, ano role mo? Oh, King? Look, we got the Joseph of the Year. King? King what? Oh, you got roasted, boy, by Joseph. Ano? Oh! Damn! Celine, what are you?
Kasama ni Maria ang kanyang asawa't na malapit na manganak. At isinilang niya ang kanyang panganay at binarot siya sa langkid at inihiga siya sa sabsaban. At sa lupain iyon ay may mga pastol na nasa parang na nagbabatay sa kanilang kawa sa gabi. At sinabi sa kanila ng anghel, "Huwag kayong matakot, dahil ako sa inyo ang magandang balita ng kagalakan para sa buong bayan. Sapagkat ipinanganak sa inyo ngayon sa lungsod ni David ang isang tagapagligtas na siyang Kristo ang Panginoon." At sila'y nagmamadaling pumunta at nakita nila sina Maria at Jose at ang sanggol na nakahiga sa sabsabang. At ang bituin na nakita nila ay tumingin sa kinaroroonan ng sanggol. May mga kantas na lalaki mula sa silangan na dumating. Silang naganap na makita nila ang bituin. At pinagnilayan niya sa kanyang puso.
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Evie, it's dinner time. Do you like the food? It's great. Good. Lechon. Look at Francis, oh. Yung one of those.
Losing.
Francis, oh. Oh, Francis versus Jaden.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Ate Mina, alaga mo. Nadapa nakita mo? Patay! Ay, 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 ay! Hi. Hi, Raya. Merry Christmas, guys. Para kanina. Sa akin lang. Jaden. Ay, sus! Ay, nako. Dali, Jaden versus Francis ulit. Oh, 1-0. Wala. Race to naman race to, di ba? Sige, last na. Oh! Bawi. Ay! Congrats, Francis! Wow! Okay. Ay, sakay. Ay. Merry Christmas, Toy. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Yes, sir. Hey, boy. Merry Christmas. Gusto mo ng pera? Hello. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Do you like my gift to you?
Yes.
Can you show us how many you got? How much?
1.5.
Going
home tomorrow?
Later. Merry Christmas. Malungkot na ulit tayo dito. Malungkot na pala kayo. Kayo lang pala.
Hoy, hindi naman ako dito.
Si Kuya Jade. Okay, bye Ama. Look here, Ama. Thank you for the gift. Ama, thank you. Bye-bye. See you next year. Christmas. Bye to my. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Walang iba Muling magkakakulay ang Pasko.